So back office operations at the moment are facing increased usage in a way that's not been seen in recent years, as well as taking on the core operational needs for validating the financial reconciliations in the cash world, the security servicing, and so on. Reconciliation services now being used and leaned upon far more in two ways. They're looking to take on the data quality aspects of control by reviewing quality between internal systems and also for internal to external systems. The reason primarily being to improve the quality of data that you're reconciling, which leads to reduced break counts and reduced risk. So the data quality is absolutely critical for many firms now, over and above the reconciliations aspects. So data quality doesn't just affect the break count, it affects the regulatory reporting, and it also affects reputation. If you're a firm who is able to provide high quality data, but also to share feedback that data quality is maybe not quite as high as it could be, highlighting data points where the quality is low or maybe missing, sharing that with your peers and also with other parts of your organisation. Will let them know that you're a service that can identify and improve, not just for themselves, but also to assist you in doing so as well. So data quality is a big drive, but also is the standardization. Many firms have reconciliations that have been around for many years, using many different tools. And for many years, really, reconciliations services has been looked at as a commodity and a service, and people have been trying to move forwards onto a common platform. I think that has accelerated over the last 12 months, 18 months, in a way probably triggered by the pandemic. The pandemic has a pinch point on resources. That's both key man resources for particular business functions where maybe a very small number of people know how to perform that reconciliation. But also when you have spikes in volume, particularly on the payment side, for example, we see massively increased volumes going through. If you need to increase your resource pool to manage that, then that poses different challenges. So to be able to centralize and standardize and to take on those extra challenges is certainly an area that we see firms trying to solve as efficiently as possible. So ways that people are looking to do that, we see, for example, on-demand services and managed services as being one solution. To being able to have a platform that is reliable and robust and gives you the control points that you need. And it can also be run for you. So the management of that is now reduced. So resourcing around the daily operations is vastly simplified. Operationally, you can take that on as well. So operations for maybe manual matching and aspects of the daily exceptions reviews, they can all be performed now through external groups as a managed service. The benefits of this very clearly that the firm no longer have to manage the demands on resourcing and the elasticity of that, the onboarding of resourcing, where you need to increase capacity. That's now the problem of the managed service provider. And that certainly seems to be a direction that many of our firms are looking at to deal with these scaling challenges. As well as the resource management, I think AI and machine learning are very, very important to many of our clients and potential clients. The ability to automate through machine learning, whether it's for manual matching, whether it's for data quality enrichment, or whether it's for allocation of work across teams. These are all areas that have a particular return on investment for our potential clients and across the market, where you can reduce maybe FTE headcount on the manual matching exercise. But what that could let you do is reuse that resourcing. You can allocate them to other work. You could take on more business. So by automating tasks that have been thus far always manual, you can gain significant improvements in scalability with the existing resource pool you have. So examples of these, I would say we have many clients we see moving to on-demand, and most clients now looking for cloud-hosted solutions or an internally cloud-hosted on-premise solution. And that's a very common theme across the market. And we have many examples of that with our client base, where we've transitioned from an on-premise onto on-demand and through to managed services. We have of all sizes. We have small clients. We have very, very large, significant sized firms with hundreds and thousands of users now moving on a managed service platform from SmartStream. And on the machine learning and AI front, we are at the moment rolling out AI to a number of firms, and we have a proven track record in POCs where we conduct high quality reviews of what we believe we can return on the data that the clients have been using for many years. So we see traction in both of these aspects, and we're looking forward to very, very good results on the back of that.